guys doing today? So here come on go to I can do something. Anyways, right now I'm going to the bank, do some business, and then I'm gonna buy food again. So join with me, you guys, join with me. Yeah. Guys, I just reached NCB. See all I'm gonna take in there. Because normally when I'm in there it takes hours. I'm gonna come back and chat to him. Come back for going with a good state of mind. Here. Let's say NCB slow to a level. I'm going there around 10:30 and it's almost 12 o'clock now. Seriously? That's why me tell you, NCB slow. I'm rather Scotiabank. Scotiabank fast. Why y'all think? Which bank is your bank? NCB and Scotia. Because Scotia is my bank. I don't like NCB. All of them have an NCB account. But you know, you have to have all different accounts. But me I tell you, if I have to deal with them, I will deal with them at all. Yeah, comment below what y'all think. Which bank slow down, which bank you prefer. Let me know so I can see what go on. Or only Kingston them go on so. Because Scotia all the way. That's why anytime I'm going to NCB, I have a good stable mind because I don't want to flip. And then them have enough teller station, but I like all. Them have like 5 and then them have 2 reps. What kind of thing that are 3 reps? The station never yet full yet. Anyways, may I say good thing I have a little breakfast because I know some of that drop down too long but they are wait. Now I can buy lunch. So yeah, that's warnings, you know, that's warnings. You guys, but tired and the sun hot. You tell the sun blazing, you know, normal. I know I'm walking the umbrella. But through me to go to the food, I kind of feel good. You know, like, you might just step on the food and say, not to worry. You do it for a good reason. So I'm not too quarrel. Because I'm a Chinese food. I can get, yes, food I'm coming to you right now. Yeah, I know, say yes, me I come. So give up yourself coming in my belly. Oh God, I wonder if I'm alone so crazy. I'm thirsty. The struggle, eh? The struggle is real, nigga. If I'm going to go barber shop for I go do my eyebrow and so. I think I still in the mood, yeah, man. Because the band just upset my soul. What am I going to drink? No, me I figure out what to drink this time. I buy a... Wait there. No, that caramel, that one is not too cold, so I have to go in and next fridge. So you have to say one caramel there. Go man, put the ice in there, man, and call it man. You can't bother. I'm stressed out. I'm tired. Oh, I find caramel. But take it, yeah. Let me have cash. That little caramel here. So, yeah. You guys got fried with some nice stuff. Let me see, I'm gonna buy the roast chicken. What is? Never know. Roast chicken. Guys, I calm down because I get my food. Calm down a little bit. So when I reach home, as per usual, I'm always showing them my food. So when I reach home, I'm showing them my food, alright? Well, I just reached home. So I'm tired. I'm going to show them my food before I indulge them because if I'm not showing them now, I'm not showing them again. You guys, this is roast chicken this time with fried rice and veg as usual. I can't leave out the veg, you know? Good day, what flavor ice cream you have? I can have a 100 cup. Okay. Thank you. Guys, me I tell you all the time I'm in the have to buy one ice cream. Right now I'm here Skippy in the garden. In the garden. Cause Skippy right this one. May I show him? Wanna know Skippy? Skippy, say hi for the vlog. Oi! Nothing my medicine. Skippy, say hi to the vlog. Whatever. So we'll just do up here go on bill. My mother dad them run the front, I guard the front. But me and Skippy the right of front. Oi! Boy, a time for going in. You hear me say? You look for me so. Watching. So, I'm like a baby. I'm having some jerk pork. Bring it from country. Tastes nice and thing. Who wants some come for it? So you guys guess what? You know somebody end up put on the pork. I have it. Oh, as a clarification, that pork here I'm for time I say come from Portland, Boston Pork Center. Yeah. Me bad, me tell them. Who know Boston Pork Center? But me tell them. It want more pepper though. It don't really pepper, but it can go on. So, maybe finish a small piece of pork, skip it. And my dog want pork. I'm not getting no, I'm very sorry because the bone never coming at this. See, I'm not getting. Then may I go over look for see if he's over there and trouble him a bit. Oh, yes, I like pork. If you like pork, I know in the comments. I know. So I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Now me I walk for check my friend. Okay, I wonder if him there. The place so dark, but them man there always are sleeping, you know. Look here. So give me a iPad. So I'll talk to you guys shortly. Good evening. Is Lukey here?
Yes, he's always here. He's a homeboy.
Oh, homeboy.
Yeah, because he people get to go to the grill like you.
Oh.
You ain't got no rich girlfriend.
Yeah. Lukey. General, what do you like there? Yeah, you guys, Lukey now I'm going to see him alone in the dark.
Not stop. Hello.
Them can't see you, Lukey.
Hi, I see you.
Whatever. So you go on Bill and chat about life problems. You can't see me. I couldn't see me what you say. Yes, them man there watch cartoon. Who?
The Amazing World of Gumball.
Oh, I'm watch The Amazing World of Gumball. That him I watch. What do you think? Hi to them.
Gang, gang.
When last you come on the
Oh,
vlog,
black
brother?
300. I know.
Long time. Look at them about him man them. You can't see me?
Oh, there.
Yeah. So we are chat about him woman and I give him some advice because I have a woman problem.
Okay.
I like?
I guess so.
Whatever. I must say I love Gorilla 90. No, I must go buy one snack. I must say I had Chinese earlier and then my jerk pork not tree long. So now I'm gonna just buy a snack and call it a night, you know? So right. You have cheese?
Yeah.
I can have a slice of cheese. Yes you guys, I just buy my bun and cheese. I will go home, but as you can hear a little crusade I go on. So yeah, let's go on. Yes you guys, this is what I bought, my bun and my cheese, which is spice bun. I don't know if you guys like spice bun or the different kind of bun what you guys eat.
I'm going to indulge in this right now, you guys.
After having that bun and cheese, I just went to my bed, you guys. And right now, as you guys can see my eyes, I'm like very sleepy. But I can't go to sleep before I end the vlog, because I have to do it for the vlog. And I also have to give my post notification shout out. Tonight post notification shout out goes to John Tay XO. Yeah girl, big up yourself. Man, I love your vlogs and so. Excuse me. If you guys would like a post notification shout out, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel, giving my video a thumbs up, comment when done. You might be the next person get receiving this post notification shout out. You guys, if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, okay you guys? And I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Bye you guys. I love you guys so much. I enjoy your night or your morning or whenever you're watching this. And peace.